How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We have 2015 Audi Q5 Premium Edition, 72,000 miles on it, just serviced. This truck drives excellent. White with the beige leather Pirelli tires on it. It's a Quattro all-wheel drive. We did order this tow hook cover, so we have a white one to replace that one. Looks like it got bent up a little bit, but besides that, this car is in really good shape on the exterior. We'll go ahead and check out the inside. Nice beige leather, panoramic sunroof. Comes with the roof rack as well. As you can see here, really clean inside. Big panel roof. Interior is clean, very clean, excellent condition. Go ahead and start her up. Has 72,043 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. Or you can come check us out at 1309 Bienville Boulevard, Ocean Springs, Mississippi, 39564. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody who might be interested. And for all your Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche repair needs in the southern Mississippi Gulf Coast area, give us a shout at 228-438-2056. Thanks for checking out our video.